Hello, 8th Standard, and welcome to English class. Today we are going to do revision of Unit 1 from your English textbook, Writing About Writing. Story, strong desire, wise action. Right? Okay. The first question is this extract is taken from which book? This extract is taken from which book? Please write your answers in the chat box. Yes, from the adventures of Tom Sawyer. Yes, very good. From the adventures of Tom Sawyer. I want everybody to answer. Yes, from the adventures of Tom Sawyer. Okay, great. The adventure of Tom Sawyer is written by whom? Who is the writer of the adventures of Tom Sawyer? Very good. Yes, Isha. Yes, Nivanshi, Krishna, Dhruv Joshi, Nishtha, Cheta. Yes, answer is Mark Twain. Vivek, yes. Riddhi, very good. Michelle, Riddhi. Okay. What was the time? What was the time when Tom started to paint the fence? What was the time when Tom started to paint the fence? Yes, yes, Saturday morning. Very good. Saturday morning. Great. Saturday morning. Who gave the task to Tom? Who gave the task of painting fence to Tom? Who gave the task to paint fence to Tom? Yes, it was Aunt Polly. It was Aunt Polly. Very good. Dhruv Joshi, the spelling is wrong. Aunt Polly. Very good. Aunt Polly. Next. Whom did Aunt Polly give the work of fetching water? Whom did Aunt Polly give the work of fetching water? Whom did Aunt Polly give the work of fetching water? Yes, very good, Jim. Very good, Jim. Great, great, very good. Who was Jim? Who was Jim? Who was Jim? Yes, Jim was a boy who worked for the family, Tom's family. Was Tom happy to paint the fence? Was Tom happy to paint the fence? No, Tom was not happy to paint the fence. Okay, very good. Okay, the next question is, who had planned to go down to the river and go swimming? Who had planned to go down to the river and go swimming? Who had planned to go down to the river and go swimming? Tom, but with Tom, who else was there? Who else was there? No, Krishna, it was not Tom and Ben. Yes, Isha. Yes. Yes.
ઇંગ્લિશની ટેક્સ્ટબુક જ નહીં તો તમને બધું
Yes.
લાવવાનું કહું તું.
Yes. It is Tom and Huck. It is Tom and Huck.
શું?
Tom and Huck. Very good. Next question. Next question. What? Who was Ben? Who was Ben? Who was Ben? Who was Ben? Yes. Ben. Who was Ben? Yes, Ben was Tom's friend. Very good. Ben was Tom's friend. Very good. What did Ben have? What did Ben have? What did Ben offer Tom to paint a wall? What did Ben offer Tom to paint a wall? Apple. Very good. Apple. How many characters are mentioned in the story who asked Tom to paint the fence? Name the characters or name his friends who asked Tom to let them paint the fence. Which are those? You have to write the names. Tom was already there. No, Nishtha. No. Your answer is wrong. No, Isha. Read the paragraph. Read the paragraph. After Ben, who had come? Yes. Bill Fisher, John Miller. Yes, Bill Fisher, John Miller. Yes, Ben Roger, Bill Fisher, John Miller. Okay, how many times was the fence painted? How many times was the fence painted? Three times. Okay, great. Great. What did Tom discover after the fence was painted? What did Tom discover after the fence was painted? Yes, he discovered a great law of human action. He discovered a great law of human action. And which was the great law of human action? Which was the great law of human action? Yes, strong desire, wise action. Which was that law? Strong desire, wise action, which is even the title of the story. Which is even the title of the story. Okay. Okay, who was the first boy to take over Tom's painting? Who was the first boy to take over Tom's painting? Who was the first one? No, who was the first boy? Who was the first boy? The boy who offered him an apple. What was his name? Yes, Ben. Ben was the first boy to take over Tom's painting. Okay, what were the gifts Tom collected? Or what were the things Tom collected? What were the things Tom collected? Which name the playthings which he collected? Name the playthings which he collected. Yes, Michelle, very good. He collected a cat with one eye. Yes. Then, yes, very good. Very good. Krishna, yes, he collected a piece of broken blue glass. Yes, Isha, very good. Yes, Riddhi, great. Yes, Nishta, very good. Okay, so now I hope I'm clear. Like in exam, you might get MCQs or fill-ups or 1 mark questions or one word question. Such kinds of questions you might get in your question paper. Okay, in exam. Okay, so you have to read the story very carefully. Okay, another question, the paper style which I've given you, another question, as I've told you, is read the passage and answer the following questions. Okay, next I also told you that there can be a picture composition, right? You will get a picture, you have to observe the picture and write sentences based on that picture after observing the picture. Okay, then the other question is paragraph writing also you can get, right? There'll be a topic given to you and you have to write a paragraph on that topic. Okay, then you might have little grammar, that is opposites and same words or few sentences. Okay, so this is the style of question paper what you'll get in your exam. So today was the revision lecture.